This is Daily Tech Now, where we cover breaking news in the tech industry every day. In today's news, Ubisoft Plus is launching on Xbox Series X and S and Xbox One. Midjourney announces a new feature to transform images to text using its AI technology. Adobe announces a set of new features including its new Frame.io platform, and more. Ubisoft Plus, a subscription service offered by Ubisoft that gives players access to a library of Ubisoft games, is launching on Series Xbox S and X and Xbox One. With the subscription, players can now access new games released on the day they launch. However, Xbox users will have access to fewer games than those on PC. On Xbox, users can access more than 60 games, while PC users can access over 100 games. To use Ubisoft Plus on Xbox, users need to pay the multi-access plan, which costs $17.99 per month and allows them to play on Xbox, PC, and Amazon Luna's cloud gaming service. Ubisoft Plus for Xbox was first announced in January 2022 and has been in development since then. Players who enjoy Ubisoft games can choose between Ubisoft Plus, Xbox Game Pass, and EA Play subscriptions to play games on Xbox. In other news, Midjourney, an artificial AI platform, has launched a new feature called /Describe that allows users to transform images into words using its powerful AI technology. This is a departure from Midjourney's typical process of converting text to images. One of the key benefits of the /Describe feature is that it is expected to improve accessibility. Alt text elements that describe images help make the web more accessible. However, creating these alt elements manually can be time-consuming, and Midjourney /Describe functionality may overcome this hurdle. Improved search functionality is another benefit of the /Describe feature. Search engines can index images more effectively when they include better and more plentiful descriptions. Other interesting aspects of the image-to-text generation is that it creates a feedback loop with Midjourney's text-to-image system. While Midjourney users can already generate similar images based on a selection, image-to-text tools make it easier to develop alternative and potentially more fruitful descriptions for the text-to-image generator. In its current iteration, Midjourney /Describe feature generates 4 different text descriptions of an uploaded image. It is also possible to generate new variations based on the selected description. Adobe has announced several updates for its products ahead of the 2023 NAB show. One of the key updates is the addition of text-to-based video editing features to Premiere Pro. This new feature is powered by AI and will automatically analyze and transcribe footage, identify different speakers, and allow users to rearrange clips quickly. Users can search for exact words or phrases within a transcript window to see where they'll appear in the video timeline. Another significant update is the expansion of the Frame.io cloud-based video collaboration platform. The platform has added support for photos and PDFs to increase remote collaboration across departments and appeal to a wider range of creative professionals and businesses. The new Frame.io camera to cloud integration allows photographers to directly transfer RAW, JPEG, and HEIF files from their cameras to the Frame.io cloud platform, reducing the need to physically transfer files from memory cards and hard drives. One of the most interesting updates to Frame.io is the Forensic Watermarking security feature. Video assets that are at least 30 seconds long can be embedded with an invisible pixel-level watermark that persists regardless of screen recording, file copying, and external reporting. This allows Frame.io users to investigate any sensitive content leaks, revealing asset ID codes that can identify projects, teams, accounts, user locations, and playback time within hours of launching an audit. Databricks has released Dolly 2.0, an open-source instruction following large language model that the company claims is the first of its kind. Dolly 2.0 is fine-tuned on a transparent and freely available dataset that can be used for commercial purposes without the need to pay for API access or share data with third parties. The company has also released a dataset on which Dolly 2.0 was fine-tuned, called Databricks Dolly 15K, under an open-source license. The dataset is a corpus of more than 15,000 records generated by thousands of Databricks employees, and is designed to enable large language models to exhibit interactivity of ChatGPT. Databricks CEO said that the users can modify and improve training data because it is open source and they can make their own version of Dolly. The release of Dolly 2.0 is expected to start a snowball effect in the AI community where others can use the Databricks Dolly 15K set to improve their own models. Finally, Chinese ride-hailing giant DiDi Global has announced that it is developing its own self-driving taxis with plans to roll them out in 2025. The company's autonomous driving unit also unveiled a robotaxi concept called the DiDi Neuron, which features a robotic arm that can pick up luggage or wake up sleeping passengers. DiDi said that it is working on new energy vehicle automakers to develop the robotaxi and has also launched an autonomous trucking business named CargoBot. The company has also released 2 hardware components focused on autonomous driving, a LiDAR system and a compute platform called Orca. DiDi's announcement of its robotaxi target and new products highlight its ambition to expand beyond ride-hailing. The Chinese government has been supportive of the development of driverless cars, with several cities allowing companies to test their autonomous vehicles. This comes after nearly 2 years of intense scrutiny from DiDi from the Chinese government. This has been your daily tech news, and please subscribe and come back tomorrow for more.